Velocity Motos Hag Hughes in Surrey, south of London, specializes in transforming the current Yamaha XSR models in the style of the legendary two-strokes in 80, the Yamaha Rd350 and Rd500. But unfortunately, it's only on the outside grooming, without a two-stroke feeling. So keep watching. A new addition in June 2023 was the retro mod kit called XSR 900F based on the Yamaha Rd500. It can be mounted on the Yamaha XSR 900 without any major changes. However, this only applies to the newer version of the XSR 900 from year 2022. This fits all the better for the RD look, since Yamaha does not have a rear silencer in the current version of the XSR 900, even a short tailpipe on the silencer under the swing arm. This way, the rear comes into its own in the Rd500 look. The Velocity Moto parts kit with full fairing including rear fairing in the style of the Rd500 should be available from July 2023. Decorative stickers are included, but this price is for unpainted trim parts. Coatings are possible on request. In addition, as early as September 2018, Velocity Moto presented a retro mod kit with which the Yamaha XSR 900 can be converted in the style of the 80s favorite Rd350 LC. However, this kit only fits the XSR 900 built up to 2021. There is now a similar parts kit for the current Yamaha XSR 700. The latest version corresponds to the last version of the Yamaha Rd350 LC with the additional abbreviation YPVS. These parts are included in the Rd350 kit, including lamp cover with spoiler disc, engine spoiler, side covers, the complete rear including seat, grab bar and taillights as well as all necessary brackets and small parts. Velocity Moto's Hag Hughes describes the conversion work as relatively simple, but time-consuming. Detailed installation instructions are included with the kits. Depending on the version, such a conversion takes up to 12 hours. That's it.